हेलो गाइस, वेलकम माय चैनल इस गोल्डन बाइकर्स। तो गाइस आज की वीडियो होने वाली है एक जुपिटर के ऊपर। जो हमारे मोहित भाई की जुपिटर है, उन्होंने हमारी एक वीडियो देखी थी इंटोर की, जिसमें हमने इंजन कूलिंग फैन में लाइट लगाई थी एलईडी। मगर वो जो लाइट लगाई थी हमने पहले, वो हमने टायर वाली लाइट लगाई थी। आज जो हम जुपिटर में लगाने वाले हैं वो हम लगाने वाले हैं एलईडी लाइट, जो हमें इंजन कूलिंग फैन में लगाना है। यहाँ पे
चैनल देखा ही होगा, मैंने भी चैनल देखा था, उसमें इन्होंने इंडोर लाइट लगाई थी फैन के अंदर, इंजन लाइट के अंदर। तो आज मैं जुपिटर के अंदर लाइट लगवाने के लिए लाया हूँ। तो गाइस सबसे पहले आप इनकी वीडियो लाइक कमेंट में शेयर करके ज़रूर बताना कि आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी है। ठीक है, तो
जैसे कि मोहित भाई ने बताया कि उन्होंने यूट्यूब पर हमारी वीडियो देखी थी, जो हमने इंडोर में लगाई थी लाइट। तो चलो गाइस आज इसमें भी हम एक्सपेरिमेंट करके देखते हैं एलईडी लाइट का। जो हमने पहले लगाई थी वो टायर वाली लाइट लगाई थी। तो चलो गाइस स्टार्ट करते हैं। यहाँ पे तो पहले हम ये बोलते हैं।
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a match. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't so I want a demonstration, and I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I mean.
जो हम लाइट लगाने वाले हैं वो लगाएंगे यहाँ पे।
She's really complicated,
चलो भाई,
that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated. So the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes, and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Yeah. Body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
तो भाई चलो पैक कर लेने मैंने बंद कर दो। देखते हैं क्या
up in a nightmare. Every day that I wake up, I can never see quite clear. When I look at my surroundings, and everybody still doubts me, I wanna live to hear a crowd sing all my lyrics so loudly. I miss a time when we would all get together. I guess it's fine, but I really wish that we were better. Real talk, sipping drinks without all the pressure. Now everybody needs to think about posting whatever. When people ask how I'm doing, I've never been better. That's really not a conversation I'm willing to enter. How come we all continue forcing out all of this pressure? I'm just sick of these opinions and all of these lectures.
I need my space now so I can feel nothing. So I can be something. I do what I love and hope you will love me. I face this life.
Sometimes I get really angry, and I don't know why. Sometimes I really do hate me. Can't even pick my own side, yeah. What is even going on? Why the hell do I even write songs? What the hell am I doing here, man? I guess I don't understand a thing, damn. Yeah, but maybe ignorance is bliss. Yo, I'd rather lay in the abyss than be aware of what I missed, especially if I quit. Yeah, they say that hell is your last day, when you see what you could have became. That day would drive me insane, so I intend on staying in my lane. Yeah, I picked a path and I picked the pain. Yeah, I want it bad, that won't ever change. Yeah, sometimes I'm mad, sometimes I'm okay. Yeah, I know I'll have what I want someday.
I need my space now so I can feel nothing. I live this nightmare so I can be something.
Yeah.
I do what I love and hope you will love me.
Yeah.
I face this nightmare, no I am not running.
It's hard to be okay when everything has changed. Yeah, it's hard to be okay when I can see everything. The best part of everyone's day is on my iPhone on display. No matter what I do, can't get away. This isn't healthy, I don't feel the same. Yo, and destiny is a weird thing. Yeah, cause it's easier to believe, yeah, that everything is out of your hands. It's part of a plan, so there ain't no need to worry. Don't let your vision be blurry. Yeah, lock into your journey. Yo, and you can start real early. You could be 13 or you could be 30. But it's your life to live, yeah. Yo, so what you got to give, huh? Yo, you better get after it. Don't you dare quit, don't you dare kid. You got dreams, then you're like me. So try like me, so fight like me. Take a hold of your life and thrive like me, so you can put the nightmares to sleep like me.
तो गाइस कैसी लगी आपको वीडियो? आप लाइक शेयर और कमेंट के जरिए बता सकते हैं और भाई से पूछ लीजिए कैसी लगी।
बाकी इसका मजा नाइट में ज़्यादा आएगा।
मिलते हैं आपसे एक नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।